This exact technique helped me to stop scanning the environment and come back into my body, to stop the vigilancy that causes you to feel unsafe and unguarded, and actually feel your own power in your own body back. For that, I would want you to sit back against the wall, against something very solid, so that you know you have to give your body a cue that there's nothing behind you, no one and nothing can come up from you behind. Once your body has a cue, like a physical feeling for that, we can start this practice. Now, sit back, press your back against the wall. For a second, allow yourself to feel the solid ground behind you. Nothing can come up from behind. You don't need to scan. Your back is protected. Let yourself melt and press more into the wall. Let your back become one with the solid ground. Now, call your energy back to you now. With each inhale, you inhale your energy back to you. And you keep it there. Let's call it back from in front of you with an inhale. Keep it in your body. Let it stay in your body. Again. Inhale. Tuck it in. Exhale. Your energy stays within. One more time. all around you, from left to right, this entire field and this half circle. Call your energy as if you are a vacuum inside your body. Imagine it staying a couple centimeters underneath your skin. Now we turn our attention to the back. Your back may ache or even hurt a little. This is normal. That's why we're doing this exercise. Now you're gonna imagine in the back, the half circle from left to right, from right to left, the energy behind you that you are leaking out. We're just scanning the field behind you at all times. Like a vacuum, we're gonna suck it in, inhale it, and tuck it 4 centimeters behind your skin. At the top of your back, at the top of your head, you can imagine sucking this energy inside and tucking it 4 centimeters under your skull, under your skin, under your spine, as if we are sucking it in and tucking it in like that. Let's begin. Inhale. Inhale your whole energy from the back inside your spine. Keep it in. Tuck it underneath your skin. It may feel weird, or even a little dizzy, because now your body has to redistribute all your energy that was leaking out. It has now to be kept inside. Again, let's inhale the energy from the back. Tuck it in throughout your whole spine and the back of your head. Exhale. Again. Inhale. Imagine a mist of your energy coming back into your whole spine. You're sucking in all there is. There's nothing left behind outside of your spine. Tucked in. Exhale. to seal our energy inside our body. Imagine from above, from the sky, the heavens opening, and a golden stream coming down right on top of your head. This stream is like cool, liquid gold. It has solid properties. It covers you from top to bottom, like melted honey. You can breathe. You're fine. It droops through your head, your face, your neck, your throat, shoulders and arms, elbows, hands, fingertips. This liquid, cool gold keeps covering your spine, the middle, towards your hips, the front, your chest, your solar plexus, and belly, gathering around your hips, moving down, covering your thighs and buttocks, your knees, calves and shins, your ankles, and closing up at your feet. You're covered in this protective barrier of gold. You're whole, complete, protected. Know that you have done the greatest gift possible for yourself. All your energy is back inside your body. Nothing can leak out. Nothing unwanted can come in. Your back is now protected with a solid gold, as much as your front. There's no need to scan anymore. This simple exercise immediately brings back your entire energy and stops the behavior of vigilance and scanning. Once your energy comes back into your body, it may be a little unused to it. So if you keep doing this exercise, anytime you want to go out, anytime you feel unsettled, or you feel like you need a protective barrier, you do that. By that training your body, you can hold your energy within. You don't need to leak it out. This has given me a profound feeling of safety, as much as confidence that followed up in a short amount of time. Anytime your mind wants to wander and start scanning who or what is next to you, left and right, even if you're outside, just suck in your energy back to you and seal it again with gold. It can take a couple of seconds. You are the most powerful when your energy is staying in your body completely. See you in the next one.